Hello everyone, I am Ruvank. I work at the Oberoi Mumbai. I was always fascinated about the dishes that my mom used to cook for me, and that is when I decided to pursue the career of being a chef. Interesting recipes which are coming using products from Quality New Zealand, where the first product is the whiting blue fish, which has amazing packaging quality and it has good amount of proteins, and the best part about it is that it is available throughout the year. So whenever you think that you want to cook it, it is readily available. The second product is the French cut lamb chops, which is best quality meat with lot of fat, and the best part is it is gluten free, it has health benefits like vitamin, then it is directly from farm to fork. So today I will be making fish and chips which will have nice Mexican touch to it. So the fish will be first crumb fried and topped up with guacamole and nice spicy salsa and lots of cheese to cut down the spiciness. The ingredients for the dish that we are making are chopped tomato, chopped onion, Cajun spice, grated cheddar, boiled rajma, chopped chilies, sour cream, coriander, olives, jalapenos, avocado, and the most important thing is olive oil. Once the fish is fried, we'll just top it with the toppings and serve it. So we'll start with rajma first. So we'll start with olive oil first, followed by a little bit of chopped onions. So once you see the onions are soft, you need to add a little bit of chopped tomatoes, a little bit of chilies. Make sure you are gentle with chilies, as Mexican prefers their food to be very spicy. So now add the rajma. You can actually take plain boiled rajma and just add to it. Make sure all the ingredients are mixed well. Add little fresh coriander, little pepper and little salt. Now, and you can keep the rajma on the side, and we can start with the tomato salsa now, which is the second top. So you need to take lots of tomato, which is the most important ingredient for tomato salsa. Then you add a little bit of chopped onions, chopped chilies, coriander, the secret ingredient jalapenos, seasoning which is salt and pepper, olive oil. Make sure you mix all the ingredients well so that the tanginess of tomatoes, jalapenos blends along with the spiciness of the chilies. So once the salsa is done, now we'll proceed to make guacamole. So we need to take avocado, which is the most important ingredient for guacamole. 1 spoon tomato, little bit of onions to give that crunch to it, jalapenos, salt, pepper, lemon juice and olive oil. So you need to mash the avocado, tomatoes and onions with back of your spoon so that all the flavors combine. So now we'll start with the final step, which is frying fish. So you need to ensure that the oil is not very hot and not very cold also. So till the time the fish gets fried, we'll start getting all our pizza ready so that we can start plating the dish. Take the fish in the center. Top it up with the rajma that we have cooked. Be generous with the rajma because that is what will give flavors to the fish. Add a little bit of salsa. You can just randomly pour it over. Followed by a little bit of guacamole, cheddar cheese, jalapenos, that is what Mexico is known for, a little bit of olives, a dash of sour cream. Add a little bit of crushed pepper on top, your olive oil on the plate, freshly chopped coriander to finish with.